Oh my god, another special marine warning.
9 to 11 feet at 13 seconds. Showers and a chance of thunderstorms.
Dude, another one. What the heck?
Southeast winds 5 to 10 knots. Wind waves 3 to 4 feet. West swell 6 to 8 feet at 12 seconds. A chance of rain and a slight chance of thunderstorms. For Wednesday,
Bro, what the heck?
Winds 5 to 10 knots. Wind waves around 2 feet. West swell 6 to 7 feet at 16 seconds and south up to 2 feet at 14 seconds. For Wednesday night, south winds.
Oh. They're issuing marine warnings and then expiring some. Like, I don't get it.
The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Point Marina to Point Reyes, California, out to 10 nautical miles until 8:45 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Gaga. I want milk.
A storm capable of producing water spouts was located 12 nautical miles west at Point Reyes.
Hey Google,
or 57 nautical
why is my
miles
cat
south
biting
to
me?
Point Arena, moving northeast at 35
On the website hearts.com, they say cats bite because they are fearful,
34
stressed.
knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact.
Hey,
Water
Google,
spouts can easily overturn
why is my-
boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include
Dude.
Apple announced a brand new Apple Pencil today, and its charging port looks like this. They do have a bit of a history with weird charging solutions, but this version of the Pencil is meant to be cheaper, so it's probably just a cost-saving measure. If you don't care about the wireless charging, double tap, or pressure-sensitive tip features, this would be a good alternative.
Dude, what the heck?